Moving on to seventh question. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Now moving on to solution. Let us consider the square ABCD and let the equilateral triangle described about the side be BCE, and let us assume that AC is diagonal and equilateral triangle described about it be ACF. Then here, as BC is equilateral triangle, BC will be equal to CE will be equal to EB, and as ACF is equilateral triangle, AC will be equal to AF will be equal to CF. Now, in both the triangles, that is triangle BCE and triangle ACF, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle E is equal to 60 degrees, and angle A is equal to angle C is equal to angle F is equal to 60 degrees. So, as the corresponding angles, that are all the three angles of two triangles are equal, by A similarity, we can say triangle BCE is similar to triangle ACF. As two triangles are similar, let us consider the ratio of area of triangles, that is area of triangle BCE divided by area of triangle ACF. We know that when two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas will be equal to square of ratio of their sides, that is BC by AC whole square, which is equal to BC, let it remain as it is, by, we know that diagonal of a square is nothing but root 2 times its side. So we can say AC is equal to root 2 times BC. So let us substitute that root 2 BC whole square, that is equal to BC and BC in numerator and denominator will be cancelled, and 1 by root 2 whole square will be left. 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but half. So here we got area of triangle BCE is equal to half times area of triangle ACF. Here BCE is triangle described about side and ACF is triangle described about its diagonal of the square. So here we proved that area of equilateral triangle described about one side of square is equal to half times the area of equilateral triangle described about its one of its diagonals. This is what the required proof for us.